I believe most of us will have stayed at home at this point of time, and if you are not staying home, I urge all fellow collectors and viewers to stay home as well. I'm in self-isolation for the past 3 weeks, and 3 weeks has passed. I'm glad that I'm fine, and now my country has imposed a semi-lockdown, also known as the circuit breaker, yesterday. Everyone is expected to stay at home, and this is for the best. And here's the Tomica to accompany me at home for 1 month, I hope, or maybe even longer. These are the latest pair of Tomica TLV, the Ferrari 512 TR, and also the Testarossa in black. I'll do a feature on this pair of casting very soon. This is just a walkthrough, and inside the red box are my recent Tomica purchase. I usually purchase this locally in my retail stores or from my hobby shop Let's Play. I do not know in the coming month what's the impact, but here's what I purchased from the mystery box. The box itself is to house the Tomica 50th anniversary book collection, the Toyota 2000 GT, and now let's check out what's inside the box. The Tomica 50th anniversary volume 1 on the casting from 1970 to 79, and the very first one is the Toyota 2000 GT. I will definitely do a dedicated feature on this casting. That's a very nice one. It's a long Tomica, and it belongs to the Japan Coast Guard Super Puma. I usually don't collect helicopters or plane, but this caught my attention. That's the Gen release, the Ito Yokkaido Subaru WRX. I wonder why I left out this casting, but now I got it. The Takara Tomy Mall exclusive Tomica Premium, the Volkswagen Type 1 Beetle, that comes along with the Ferrari 512BB, which I have already featured. The Toyota LQ concept car, which is very quirky and very interesting, looks very futuristic. The Valentine's Day casting for Feb, and that's the Aeon exclusive, Evo Lancer X, and also the Mazda RX-8, which is repeat casting. Special shout out to my buddy James from Japan, who sent this to me as a gift. Thank you very much. And the March release Aston Martin Vanquish with regular and first color release. I should have featured this pair 3 weeks ago, but I'm in self-isolation, hence the delay. More purchase including retired model, and yes, I'm been actively collecting retired Tomica as well. We have the R34 Skyline GTR, which is the first issue, and that's a made in China casting. The event model Lotus Europa, which is my favorite. The sort of lottery casting in chrome, and that's the Lamborghini Miura. Should be very interesting. The Aeon exclusive Toyota 2000 GT. I've been finding this for a while. And also the Supercars box set, produced in 2027. Most of them are my favorite casting, and this will be on my new channel, Hot Customs Unboxing. And last but not least, at times of uncertainty, with all the shipment delays and store closure, I will try my best to bring you guys new Tomica feature, and also I'm going to start working on my hobby kit. It's a shame that I just damaged my 2 airbrush, including the backup, so I'm ordering one and the shipment got delayed, including a new compressor. I hope I can share with you guys very soon. Lastly, to all of you, stay home, stay safe, and most important of all, stay positive. Thanks everyone. Bye.